sethu awuntsembu / life wasekazi besendishilo mani basize silande Africa yam KCD plug igqiba unyaka yabo so namhlanje silapha ngaphakathi esibabe ndinixelele mani kugcwele artists backed yabo bendinixelele banza abambi artists for the interviews so I just meet my nigga here uLaser yabo zamnika ichance azazisi yabo
What's up, everybody? This is Laser Music, all the way from Estrane, from South Music. What up? Yeah. You know, it's Trevor to the world.
Let's go. Khoma nami akhonto ngingabenza kubuza yona manje yabo because ngisando ngena nami ngikabona bakwenzeka ntoni yabo but ke I know as artist yabo ulapha eSrande ku KCD plug celebration e KCD plug yabo injani imood yabo how do you feel about the way yenzeka apha namhlanje?
Yo, I'm feeling to the mood is crazy, and the upper Kolenji legends is hot. So it's a good space, especially for your artists, to socialize. Especially for Kolenji legends. It's a perfect space and it's a safe space for mama to socialize. So it feels good to be here, man. Because the Astiban Kanje, it special means. So Astiban Kanje, so. Okay,
come on, I'm excited. I go over Buddha. We take it clean. Can you tell me what is the most highlight part about the KCD plug? From Lanyaka Pele Yaboso Choglanya. What is the most highlight?
The most highlight about if I'm trying to understand the question, KCT is doing the most about I'd say about Umchito Merita is doing the most, and and Uibambile, shout out to him, and he's growing. So I'd say he's on the right track, and he should like keep it there, because the KCD nobody have thought of like and it's not easy. But so he's on the right track. He's doing good.
Any music on the way like a PC don't Hey, yo, shout out man to Laser man about going interview again and shout out to KCD plug, shout out to Africa yeah, man. Let's go. Slap and it's happening, it's going. It's Trevor to the world.
It's Trevor to the world.
Let's go.